Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can adjust the video recording FPS or frames per second on this DJI Flip FLY MORE. So to start, you will need to make sure that the video shooting mode is selected by tapping over here and selecting the video mode. Now if your camera is in the automatic mode, tap over here and select what FPS you would like to record your videos at. Keep in mind that different frames per second values are available at different resolutions, as you can clearly see. Now, if your camera is in the Pro mode, simply tap at this left section and do all the same adjustments here. Just select the preferred frame rate you would like to record your videos at. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.